Hope you're having an amazing, fine, and a good day. Like me, it's your developers look Praveen. Now we are going to see about what is RecyclerView and how to implement it actually. So, like I said before, listview and gridview. RecyclerView is also a view group. The main difference between listview and gridview and RecyclerView is the cells in both listview and gridview is not regenerated. And in case if you want to implement list view, you can only implement list view, not grid view. In case if you want to implement grid view, you can only implement grid view, but not list view. In recycler view, you have the ability to build and implement both the list view as well as grid view. So it can be customizable according to that. So this is the thing. And another beautiful thing which is not and it can be found in list view as well as grid views. These cells which is generated by the recycler view can be regenerated, of course. So that is a main advantage as well. Mainly it can be reduce the memory space as well as it accumulate less space. I'll tell you with an example. For example, within the mobile, if the user is seeing 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 6 items in the particular container, which is recycler view. I'm saying a recycler view as a container. The user is seeing these 6 items, 6 cells. Okay. When the user is swiping from up to down, this first item will be vanished. Okay, it will be vanished, and below the seventh cell is regenerated. So but on list view, when you are swiping, if there are only 6 items, when the user is swiping down, the first cell is not regenerated, it will stay as it is, but down it will add another 7, 8, 9, 10. It will go like as it is. I hope now you understand everything with an example. So now what are the things we need to build that recycler view? We need an activity, we know that we need an adapter with an extending to with inheriting properties of not a base adapter but a recycler view dot adapter. Okay, we need a recycler adapter for that, and as well as model class. So we'll first create a model class. So what are the things we need? We need an ID for it, and then we need a name. We are gonna create an animal list, so animal model. So we need an, yeah, of course we need a name, and then let me check what are the parameters we passed it. Yeah, we need an image and name. Okay, string image and name. Let's create a constructor to communicate with an activity as well as adapter. Okay, now model class is created. Like I said before, here also we need a layout to view each and every item in a cell. So I already created recycler view layout. Same like I just inserted text view as well as image view, a circle image view inside a card view. I wrapped in a card view to make that UI look somewhat better. Just remove this, not center in parent. I want to do some changes. So okay, I did this. So the recycler view layout is created. I will modify the recycler view adapter, recycler view dot adapter, and then it will extends to recycler adapter dot. We want to create a view holder to bind. So sorry, to hold all the widget UIs everything. Then we'll create a class for view holder. View holder class is created inside the recycle view adapter, and then we'll extend the recycler view dot view holder. We'll create a super constructor. so that each and every UI widget can be called over that. There are only two UI widgets are there. One is text view, so text, and then image view, img. Now we'll call text is equal to find view by id. Sorry, I want to call that view, right? So, view find view by id, and that what the name I just kept for it. Let's see again. Name and image. Okay, so name for it, image for it, view. And on creating this view holder, we want a view and a layout inflator, because both in activity and fragment there is a predefined methods and classes to inherit views, but here there is no kind of such a thing. So we want to create a layout inflator to accept accept that services inflator from parent dot get context. We want to get a context. We'll create a view now. View inflator dot inflate will help to get the inflator service. Layout recycler empty. We'll return this view in the view folder. On by view holder is to bind the data coming from a model class with the view which we are displaying here. Before that, we want to acquire the context and then array list. Animal model is our class, model class, right? So array list. Get item count will return the size of an array list. We'll create a constructor here. On B folder, we used to call the folder first, then text, then set text, get name. Rather than using a normal drawable image, we are going to use URL and then convert into image. So we need a glide library for that, and then I've used a circle image view on that image view, right? So I already added that circle image view. It's a third-party library. We can find it in GitHub. I'll also give that GitHub link in description. You can go and use it in case if you want that. So glide dot with context. You want to load the DL array. Sorry, you can also use that app. Do or target is at image view, right? So image. Now adapter is also set. Let's go to the activity. We want to display, we want to create and set adapter in this RecyclerView activity. RecyclerView. I want to insert layout manager for RecyclerView. So set layout manager, and then we'll set an adapter for it. Sorry, set adapter. Let's see whether I created a constructor for. No, I'm not created. I want to create a constructor for adapter. New recycler adapter. Sorry, recycler adapter right here. I'm passing the context first, and we need an array list. We need to pass an array list in that argument. So private return an array list. Get data. Already I typed many datas. It will take time. Oh, I typed data already. Let insert here. And this ID want to be integer. Sorry, my bad. I hope now it works well. Let's get the data. Go to manifest. Give internet permission to access a URL, convert a URL to image, and then I set an intent filter on recycler activity. Let's run this. Yeah, see here, each and every URL is converted into image. Okay, I told you right, there are also other possibilities, so that recycler view is also be converted into a grid view. I'll also tell you. Just we can convert by changing a layout manager. Recycler views what? Now we are going to convert this into grid view. Layout manager, grid layout manager. So this span count would be 2. Let's try this. See, the only issues like the text is not properly aligned. Now let's run again and see. Yeah, so we got the data items as per our need. If you want any other videos, don't forget to mention in a comment box. Please like and subscribe my video and share it to all your friends who want to learn some new things. In case if you want to know new things about Android, please subscribe and stay with touch. Signing off, developers look Praveen. Bye. See you in the next video.